So hello folks, so let's start the today's outlook. It will be short and crisp. Okay, so let's start from the DXY. So in DXY we can start let's start with the weekly chart. Okay, so in weekly, what did we saw? We saw that price has closed above this candle. Okay, this candle is has a lot of significance because it's a high volume candle and price has closed above it. So according to the concept, it should target this high as well. Okay, so this will be our drawn liquidity for upcoming days. Okay, and now this has become the order block. So now the most important area where I expect price to react from is the opening price of the order block. Okay, so I will draw a line from the opening price of the order block, and I will expect price to come back. It will retrace and it will target this high. So how do we just keeping in mind the PO3 in weekly PO3, that price will open and it will do some Judah string or whatever we say, protraction or anything else you would like to say. So price will come back, it will open, it will create a low and it will go high and it will close. Okay, this is what it looks like in weekly chart. So maybe there is also a possibility that this candle becomes the inside candle, and so this week may be slow. Okay, so and the next week or the next month we'll see the fair value gap forming, and after that price will come back and it will tap the fair value gap and it will target this high. This is also a possibility. So let's see what's happening, but this is the important area where I will expect price to react from, and the target will be this will be our drawn liquidity. Okay, let's go to the daily chart. In daily it looks good. Daily we saw price has closed below this down close candle. It has also respected the fair value gap. Okay, and the order flow looks now bullish, so we will expect this down close candle to push the price higher. Okay, and you can see that this is our weekly order block. So what we can say that from this weekly order block as well as daily order block, and price to come back here and it will push the price higher. So this is what it looks like in daily chart. So overall bias will be bullish, and when the invalidation will be the bias for the bullishness invalidation will be when price closes below this down close candle. So when you see that price closes below this down close candle, so I will say that bias is wrong, and the bullish bias has now got invalidated, and price has rejected this high. Okay, and as well as so it has rejected these highs and rejected these highs, and we can target these lows. Okay, but this is the second scenario when our bullish bias got invalidated, but according to the weekly and daily it looks bullish, and this will be our daily order block where I will expect price to move higher. And let's go to weekly once more, and I will show something interesting here. This is our range, so called range. This is our range high. So if you see, this is our range high and this is our range low. This is our range high, this is our range low. So we are stuck inside this range. Okay, and the important area where I will expect turtle soup to happen will be the mean threshold of this range. So we can use this mean threshold. Just a sec. Okay, this is our mean threshold. So here you saw that this turtle soup happened already, so we can expect price to target this high. So according to this range theory, we are also bullish. Okay, but we cannot be sure about anything else, right? So we should have a bias area where our bias got invalidated. Okay, invalidates. This is how so you saw right now you saw that this turtle soup happened, and also this turtle soup happened here. So we'll expect this price to this order block to push the price higher. And also if you keep this whole thing this two down to up close candle as a range. Okay, this can also be considered as a range, or the whole up move before this down move So this can also be a range. So this could be our target for in this week. Okay, so overall bias is bullish. Okay, weekly bullish, daily bullish, and when our bias become bearish or it becomes invalidated when price closes below this non-close candle. That's it, as simple as that. Let's go to GBP looks good, keeping in mind this weekly chart. This candle is my range. So this range got rejected, and also it got rejected once more. Okay, now price has closed below this up close candle. So the obvious target will be this in coming days or in today's week. Our target would be this will be our drawn liquidity in GBP USD. Okay, so wait for DXY to align your bias, and accordingly you plan your trade in GBP USD. Okay, so overall the bias is bullish, and the target would be overall the bias is bearish, and the target would be this will be order on liquidity. Okay, this price is 1.25001. Now let's come back to the Euro USD, and Euro USD also looks bearish. Okay, and prices close below this up close candle, and it also similar to Euro DXY. This is can be considered as a range. Sorry, this okay, don't let's not make this complicated, and stick to the order blocks and fair value gaps to form a bias. Okay, for this, so I will be expecting this candle to move the price to the downside. Okay, so this is my order block. I will be expecting this to be order on liquidity. This can be order on liquidity, and as well as this can be my drawn liquidity. Okay, so I'll be expecting the bias will be bearish. This is my high probability order block, and I'll be expecting bias to move down. Weekly chart is also bearish, and we also have a this weekly up close candle. This becomes my order block, so I'll be expecting this order block to respect the price and to come down. Okay, overall the bias is bearish in Euro USD. Okay, let's go to any other chart. Let's use USD CAD. The USD CAD now it's not coming down, so I can't say what is going to happen in USD CAD. I'll look for more price action to see if we form a fair value gap here. If we form a fair value gap here, suppose this candle is this candle is a down close candle, and we got a fair value gap here. So what we can expect that price to respect this fair value gap, and now I will change my bias, or now I can form a bias when price form a fair value gap here. Okay, so right now I don't have any bias for USD CAD. I will skip that pair,